Hello and welcome to video number 5 on the HP12C calculator. I thought I would show you how to do percentage calculations today, both using the percentage keys on the calculator and also without using the percentage keys. Sometimes I think, for me anyway, I think it's easier to do percentage calculations without using percentage keys. Some like to do that. Some like to skip the percentage keys and do it directly. So I wanted to show you how to do both. If we go to my notepad here, I'll show you how to do percentage calculations. I also have my calculator app, which can be downloaded. There's a link in the description where you can get this Hewlett-Packard HP12C calculator app. It's free and you can use it. Its functions exactly like the real thing. It looks exactly the same. And it's a great app, and there's also links in the description for a app for iPhone which you can use. There's a small cost for that app. There's a free alternative also. You can use anything you want. There are several, but I think the one in the description is a good app, iPhone app that I use. And if you want the real thing, there's also a affiliate link for from Amazon where you can get the real thing, real physical calculator, if you want to have it. Okay, let's do some calculations. If we take some simple examples, I like to start with 100. It's easiest way to get started with percentage calculations. If I want to take, for example, 100 plus 10%, that is the same as percent means literally 10. 10% means literally 10/100th. So this calculation will be the same as 100 times 1.1, which equals 110. That's how you add, one way to add 10% to the number 100. If you want to use the calculator for that calculation, we can do it in two ways. Either 100, enter, and 1.1 times that is 110. But if you want to use the percentage keys, you key in 100, enter, 10% plus, that's also 110. That's the same calculation. If we have, for example, 150 and we want to add 17% to 150, like I said, percent means hundredth, so I need to do 150 times 1.17. This is the 17%, 17/100th. And if we calculate that, we will get 175.5. Not because I'm very good at calculating that in my head, but because I've already done it a few times today. So, but if we take the calculator, we enter 150, enter, 1.17 times that is 175.5. Another way of doing it is 150, enter, and 17% plus. That way I have added 17% to 150. If you want to go the other way, if I know, for example, I already have the 110 number, this number, and I know that that number is already included. There's already included 10% in that number, and I want to find the number that you add 10% to get to this number. I do the exact opposite here. When I added 10%, I multiplied by 1.1. And if I want to go the other way to find the base number, to add 10% to get to 110, I do 100 divided by 1.1, which equals 100, of course. 110, enter. 1.1 divided, that's 100. And the same way, if I have 175.5 and I wanted, and I know that this number is including the 17%, I take divided by 1.17, which equals 150. Just to do it on the calculator, I get 175.5, enter, and 1.17 divided, I get 150. So that's both ways to do the percentage calculations. If you want to subtract 10% from 100, let's make a line here. That line was not particularly straight. It's easier with my pen. I have a tablet, which is easier to control. Okay, if I want to know how much I will be left with if I subtract 10% from 100 minus 10%, I need to go the other way. I don't want 1.1 because that's addition. I need to go the other way, and I need 1 minus 0.1. So I need to take my original number 100 times 0.9. That is 0.1 or 10% lower than the original number, which of course is 90. To do this on the calculator, I will have to enter 100, enter, and 0.9 times that is 90. And if I want to use the percentage keys, I enter the same number, 100, and then 10% minus, then I get to the same number, of course. So that's the way that that you do percentage calculations. Regarding this calculation here, where I already know a number including a certain percentage, I haven't found any way to do that with the percentage keys other than doing what I did here above, divided by 1.17 instead of multiplying by 1.17. Okay, there is one more key on the calculator, and that is delta percent. That means basically the difference in percentage between two numbers. And let's take the same numbers that we already know, 175.5, and down to 150. How much percent is, do you need to go down from 175.5 to get to 150? The way to do that on the calculator is by using the delta percent key. So if I want 175.5 and down to 150, I enter 150 and press delta percent. That is 14.53% lower. 150 is 14.53% lower than 175.5. So 175.5 minus 14.53% is 150. If we go the other way, I can take 150. Now I know that I need to add 17% to get to 175.5, but the way if I only know these two numbers and I want to calculate that, I take 150, enter 175.5, and I want to know how much I need to add in percent to 150 to get to 175.5. I press the delta percent key and I get to 17%. So that's the percentage keys, and there's also a percent total key here. I'll get back to that later. It's not something that I normally use. So you can choose to calculate percentage any way you want, but I like to do it like this. For example, if I take 240 and I want to add 38% to that, I do 240 times 1.38, which equals, let's see, 240 1.38 plus, no, times, multiply, I mean 331.20. So this is 331.2. If I, like I said, if I have this number, I know that there's been added 38% to it already. If I want to know this number, the base number, I go the other way around, 331.2 divided by 1.38 equals 240. That's the exact opposite calculation. Let's do that one also. 331.2, enter 1.38 divided, we get 240. We get back to the original number. So that's basically the way that you do percentage calculations. If you want to know more, just leave me a comment below, and please subscribe and like the video, and I'll put out more calculations on ways to use this calculator eventually. I thought the next few videos I will do some videos about budgeting and how to think regarding your personal finances, and the way I like to do that. So stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Okay, thanks, bye.